Not too long ago, my husband and I went to a basketball game against a very well-rated school in Class A. You all know which school I'm probably talking about that we played, and we got creamed by them because we're Class B and they're like the best in their class. And my husband kept saying, "Oh, they need to be getting fouled more. They need to be getting taking the shot and risking getting fouled because then they can take the penalty shots." And I wondered if that really made sense. And so we're talking today a little bit about what shots does it make sense to make in basketball. So you guys know that different shots are worth different things on a basketball court. So, you've got the 3-pointers, your 2-pointers, and then you've got the foul shots, or the penalty shots, where if you get fouled, you get 2 free throws. And there's different probabilities for making each of those. So we're going to try to figure out, if you're the coach, are you going to tell your players to try to make 3s, make 2s, or make free throws? So here's a table of the 4 of the best players on these teams. And we're looking at the things, different shooting averages. Sorry if I don't use the right terminology. Yeah, I like to play sports for fun, but don't know everything about them. I'm really not that informed about them as I should be. So here we go. Stephen Curry, he made 626 of the shots that he attempted, and he attempted 1,388. Now this stands for field goal, and apparently, didn't know this, field goals are any shots that they take. I knew that I knew what a field goal was in football, didn't know it in basketball. There you go. So 3 points, he made 272 of his 600 3-pointers. So if he attempted a total of 1,388 shots, and he made 600 of those were free throws. Oh my gosh, 600 of those were 3-pointers. How many of them were 2-pointers? So we take 1,388 minus 600, and we have 788 of them were 2-pointers. So 788 were 2-pointers. Okay, and then he made 626 of his shots. 272 of them were 3-pointers, so that means he made 354 of his 2-pointers. So now we're trying to find the probability that he will make a 3-pointer. So remember, probability is our value that we want, like we want him to make them. So this would be our preferred value over like the whole. So we're going to take how many he made divided by 600. So 272 divided by 600. That means the probability of him making a 3-pointer is about 0.453. And what's the probability of him making a 2-pointer? Well, we take our value that we want, and we divide it by the total of 788. So we take 354 divided by 788, and we get a probability of 0.449 that he will make a 2-pointer. So I want you on your own to fill out the rest of this chart for each of these players.